Alright, we're here with hybrid racing detent springs and billet shifter bushings from Blox for Jose's Integra. And then a little update on mine. Still dead. So we're gonna jack up the car and start doing everything. Right now we're taking out the interior pieces. We're taking out the interior pieces so we could take this out to unhook the dust boot so we could drop the linkage. That's what we're doing first. So we're under the car now. Damn, that's nasty. Under the car. I did those two. That for that bushing is 212s.
I did it.
212s, and there's a little bracket right there. You could just pry off with like a flathead, and then you should just be able to slide it out that way. And then put the new one in. It's two pieces, so it should be easier. Hopefully, we'll see. So this is the old one right here. It's all cracked. That's how he's been shifting. There's the new one. Now usually if you're doing like polyurethane bushings, like energy bushings or something else, you have to take off this little thing and swap it over. But I guess for this one not, because as you can see, this circle and this wouldn't fit right here. So you just swap it in and that's it. And then we'll do the other one. Doing the second one right now. How those headers look like though. R.I.P. Should be a 12 also, right next to the header. This one was clapped too right there. As you can see, he just pretty much yanked it out and came out easy. Also because it was all wet because of oil. Now here's the new pieces. He might have to hammer them in, so I'm gonna bring a hammer right now so we could do that.
Ready.
So that, where is it? So that bushing is in now. It was a little bit hard to hammer since we didn't take it out, but now we're gonna do the detent springs, which are right here, which is these two, this one and this one. And it comes with 3, so one of them is just extra if you're doing it on an Integra. So now he's gonna have an extra just in case for someone or something. So it's just those two now, and we're gonna do that right now. Do it. Alright, so drop it down slowly because it has a spring and a ball like right on top of it when you take it out. So you gotta drop it down pretty much like straight down. And I think some oil drops from it too. So there it is. That's one of the springs and the ball. Alright, now let's see if it even shifts. Put the shift knob in real quick. Hybrid racing. Should be fine right there because we still have to put the interior pieces back. Oh damn, it's way notchier for sure. There is still some play, but it goes into like, you know, you're in a gear for sure. So that's how it is. Yeah, it makes a big difference. Way notchier. Could even hear it. Feels good. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just have to put all the interior pieces back and that's it. And then probably next video we're gonna do his rear lower control arms because they're also shot. The bushings are shot on it too. So now he's gonna try it out right now and just wait on the next video.